Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series. The topic for today's session is why PMP course is actively sought by project managers across the globe. And we have with us today Mr. Nishant Shukla. But I'm going to quickly hand over the session first to Mohit Wattal, who is the Head of Instructor Relationships Business Function at EduReka. And he will be taking us through the next couple of slides and also introduce all of us to Mr. Nishant Shukla. Mohit, I'm now making you the presenter.
All right. Thank you very much, Sri Lagna. Now, I just want a quick confirmation from everyone that I'm audible to all of you. Everybody can hear me? Could you please post it on the questions window quickly that I'm audible to everyone?
You are audible.
All right. That should be great. All right. Good evening, everybody. I would first of all like to welcome everyone to this session. Now, let us first of all, I would like to brief you about this program, the PMP preparation program that we have at EduReka. So let us have a look as in how this program works at EduReka. Now, the course is live and interactive, done through online classes. Now, as I mentioned, these classes would be live and would be taken by Mr. Nishant. And for all the classes that would be conducted, each and every class will be recorded, and the recordings will be available to you in the learning management system, which we call as a LMS, right? Now, for every module, there would be a set of quizzes that you'll be going through after the modules, after completing the live session. We will also provide you with 5 full-length mock tests. Now, in these mock tests, we are going to cover over 1,000 mock questions. Apart from this, you also have a 24/7 on-demand technical support. Now, what does a 24/7 on-demand technical support means? It means that when and where you have a question, there is somebody to help you out from our support team. So you just have to get in touch with our support team, and they are available 24/7 for your service to answer your questions. There is also a post-course support available, which means that even when you have ended with the course, even when you've completed with your live classes, till the time you complete your PMP certification exam, you can always come back to the support team and get your queries resolved. Now, there is a prerequisite for contact hours certificate, which is 35 contact hours certificate that you need to, that you need before giving your PMP certification exam. EduReka will also provide you with that 35 contact hours certificate. Now, you also get a lifetime access to the learning management system, which means once you enroll to the program, you'll be able to go through the class recordings and the module-wise quizzes, assignments, everything, the mock questions for a lifetime. Now, EduReka team will also assist you in filling up the application form. Now, in case this might suit your interest, you can also reach our website, which is www.edureka.in/PMP, and grab the course details from here. Now, if this course might suit your interest, you can also reach our support team. There is a US toll-free number available over here, which is 1-800-275-9730, and for India the number is 888-0862-004, right? The complete course details, the upcoming batches details, everything is available on our website right here, so you can grab a look at it once, if this suits your interest. Now, taking things ahead, I would like to introduce to your instructor. Talking about Mr. Nishant Shukla, Nishant has more than 22 years of industry experience, and this experience has been across various verticals. Talk about application development, telecommunications, BPO, banking, and training as well. He has over 9 years of project and program management experience, and he has trained more than 5,000 managers across the industries. Now, he has over 10,000 hours of training experience, 450 plus management workshops that he has conducted, and the list of the companies that he has trained for looks to be endless. He talks about GMR, talk about ABB, Wipro, Accenture, etc., etc., etc. So I would like to request Mr. Nishant to just join in and take the session ahead. So thank you very much, guys. This should be it from my side. Nishant, please come in.
Thanks, Mohit, for the wonderful introduction. And hello, everyone. Good evening. And let's get started with this session. So before we start, I want to congratulate each one of you on taking the first step on your journey to obtain that PMP certification. And in this discussion, we are going to talk about the PMP certification, the PMI, the institute that is providing you this opportunity to become a certified project manager, PMI, and we are going to talk about PMBOK. So the entire discussion is going to hover around the latest edition, that is 5th edition of PMBOK, and all the acronyms, terminologies, and definitions we are going to use, I'm going to use in this session have been picked up from latest edition of PMBOK. The objective of this session is to make you familiar with the guide to the PMBOK, and we will talk about it, PMBOK and PMI, as we move forward. So let me move to the next slide. A quick look at what all we are going to cover in today's session. We have the introduction to PMI and PMP. We will talk about the prerequisites for applying for application for the PMP and PMP examination pattern, and then we will have some time left, and we'll be talking about the introduction of project and project management, the very basics, and what are the constraints we face in the project versus product lifecycle, and what are the factors influencing project. And we will also talk about the crux of this framework, that is project management processes and the knowledge area. And we will have one small topic from the execution and monitor control that we use normally in the monitoring and controlling, that is earned value management. And at the end of the session, we are going to spend around 35 minutes. At the end of that 35 minutes, we will open the stage for question and answer. So I know you will have a lot of questions, but looking at the large number of audience here, it may not be possible to answer each and every question here. So you can post your question, you can send your question, and I'm sure the TechGeek teams will have the details of you, and we will ensure that we are answering each and every question to you, if not in the session, over the emails after the session. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, about the organization, about the entity which is making you PMP certified.